What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First day, I'm going to show you what we've done on this Jeep so far throughout this whole playlist. So in the first video I showed you guys what I bought by accident, this Jeep for $350. In the second video we took out this engine and then we removed the interior. That was quite bad and it's still not completed yet. We'll get to that in the future. We removed the control arm to the subframe and then we got the Lexus motor. We fitted the V8 and now today I still have to make a transmission mount for this V8 and also going to fit the control arms in today's video so we can move this Jeep around a little bit. And on the JKU I've got some big plans coming, so check it out, guys. This is going to get exciting very quickly now. And I've got a little bit of the DIY stuff on this as well coming. So I'm glad to share it with you guys. If you do like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button down below or just click on the icon and you can subscribe from there. I do appreciate it. Please help me grow this channel. So let's get to this video and get started on this Jeep. Okay, so previously we fitted this motor. I had to make some modifications to the subframe, which I already modified. Things were a little bit out. So the motor is sitting quite good at the moment. It's level. So all I have left to do is, this is a cross member to put a transmission mount in here and hook it up to the transmission. This should be very simple to do. I've got some parts from previous vehicles that I can use for this build. So first off we're going to put this cross member on the Jeep and then the mounting, and then I'll have to make some base plate for the transmission to the mounting, which shouldn't be too hard to do. And then we're going to fit the control arms to this vehicle, get it lowered so we can move this around. So guys, let's get to this. Let's put this cross member in and then move on and make the transmission mount. Okay guys, so this is the mounting I made. It's actually from a Volvo XC60 control arm, and I made a little bit of a bush to go inside of this to accept this bolt. So the plan behind this is to bolt this in, put this cross member on top, put this cross member on the Jeep, measure the height difference, cut this flange, make my own little base plate which bolts onto the transmission, which will sit around about here. And that's my idea of transmission mount. I hope it works and I don't get vibration on this. So let's do this. Okay guys, it's time to put on the control arms and all the goods that goes with it. Get this Jeep on its wheels again so I can see the level of this engine. But first I want to thank you, Brickstop Jeeps, for hooking me up with some discs for this bad boy. It's not new, but it's better than what I had, so this is saving me a lot of money and time at the moment. So this will be replaced eventually, but for the time being this would do. I'll put a link down below on the Brickstop's website, and they've got some awesome accessories. You can call Rika and she'll hook you up with whatever you need. So let's do this, put all this stuff back in, get this Jeep back on its wheels and see what we can do after that. there you have it guys, you can see that the Jeep is on its wheels. My camera stopped recording for some reason, so I only know this is after everything's been done, but the wheels are on, the sway bar is on, everything is working out fine, and the engine is sitting pretty good at the moment. So that's it guys, that's going to be a wrap for this video. If you do like what you see, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also follow us on Instagram for inside scoop at dailydrivenjeepsza. So guys, the website is also running, www.dailydrivenjeeps.com. I'll share the links below for everything. And also make sure to check out Rikstop Jeeps for what they've got for your JKU or whatever Jeep you've got. Okay guys, in the next video we will probably be hitting out the interior of this Jeep, finishing that up, and then taking out this engine to drop it back onto the stand so we can bench start it, do all the wiring on that, because I want to get it started on the bench. I won't be able to do the wiring on it as it is now. So have a look out for that one, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any episodes. Thank you all for watching, hope you keep safe, cheers.